Handcrafted goods have become extremely popular in the last few years. From customized dog coats to engraved rings and beyond. And the demand for bespoke handmade goods shows no signs of slowing down. Starting a handcrafted goods business is all about skill and choosing a trendy in demand range of products you can produce. You will need to carefully work out product cost, hours and materials. If you already have a handcrafting skill or know how to make a particular product, you can get started straight away. If you don't, there are plenty of skills you can learn enabling you to make crafted products. For instance, you could learn jewelry making, bookmaking, or leather working to create a range of different handmade products. Selling handcrafted products has never been easier. You can use platforms like ETSY or not on the high street to reach consumers. Each platform charges commission on goods sold. Worth noting that the ETSY is the lowest. You can also set up an online store using software like Magento, or if you are not technically minded, Shopify. The handcrafted market is competitive. To stand out, you will need to create a really attractive brand and ensure that your product images and descriptions are excellent. From there, in terms of customer acquisition on the crafting platform, it's all about getting positive reviews to get boosted up the rankings for particular searches. For your own store, social media is a great place to promote, and specifically these types of products do very well of visual platforms. If you are looking to expand your revenue beyond products, you can also sell workshops teaching people one-to-one or in groups how to make different products or particular handcrafting skills. Many handcrafting specialists are making £200 to £300 a day running such courses for workshop customers. List yourself on craftcourses.com.